Hello students, welcome back to class 7 maths. As introduction of exercise 1.4 is already finished, so now let's start solving exercise 1.4. Question number 1, evaluate each of the following. First sum A, minus 30 divided by 10. So that is equal to, now we have to do here division, that is minus 30. And after division, what we will write? Instead of division, we will write multiplication, and now this 10 we will write in denominator, and in numerator we will write 1. This way we are doing division. So that is equal to, now we will take this minus sign outside, and inside we will write 30 multiplied by 1 divided by 10. As we know that, why we have taken minus sign out, as we know that we have learned already in introduction of exercise 1.4 that if out from dividend and divisor, if anyone having negative sign, that is negative integer, then answer will become in negative. That's why negative sign we have taken out. So that is equal to, now here 30 divided by 10. So this 0 0 cut. So it will be 3 ones are 3 divided by 1, which is equal to 3. So minus in the bracket C, that is equal to, answer is minus 3. Next B, 50 divided by minus 5. So that is equal to, this minus we can take out. So inside 50 divided by 5, that is equal to minus 50. Then we will change this division to multiplication. We will get 1 upon 5. That is equal to minus 50 multiplied by 1 upon 5. So here 5 ones are 5, and here 5 ones are 5, and this 0 will come up. So answer is 10 multiplied by 1, which is 10. So answer is minus 10. Next C, minus 36 divided by minus 9. That is equal to, dividend is also minus, that is negative, and divisor is also negative. So when these two are negative, we will get the positive answer. So that means this is equal to nothing but 36 divided by 9, and that is equal to 36, division sign change to multiplication, here 1 upon 9. That is equal to 36 multiplied by 1 upon 9, and as we know that 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, and 4 ones are 4. So answer is 4. Next, minus 49 divided by 49. So that is equal to, minus sign outside, 49 divided by 49. That is equal to minus 49 multiplication sign. So 1 upon 49, and that is equal to minus 49 multiplied by 1 upon 49. 49 49 cancel. So what is left? That is 1, and minus sign there. So answer is minus 1. Next E, 13 divided by, in the big bracket, minus 2 plus 1. So here first of all we have to open this bracket first. So 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1, that is difference of their absolute values, 2 minus 1, which is 1, and sign of the greater absolute value here is this minus 2. So here it is minus 1. This minus sign we will take out, so we will get minus in the bracket 13 divided by 1, which is equal to minus 13 divided by 1. And as we know that division by 1, we will get the same integer. So it is 13, that is equal to minus 13 is our answer. Next F, 0 divided by minus 12. And as we know that 0 divided by any integer, we will get at the end answer 0. Next G, minus 31 divided by, in the big bracket, minus 30 plus minus 1. So first of all we will open this bracket, minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1, that is 30 plus 1, which is 31, and minus sign, that is minus 31. Here minus, that means it is 31 divided by 31, and 31 divided by 31, that is equal to 31 multiplication sign 1 upon 31. That is 31 divided by 31, which is equal to 1. Here also, from here directly we can write 1 also, because integer divided by that same integer, we will get answer 1. Next, h. In the big bracket, minus 36 divided by 12, big bracket close, then divided by 3. So first of all, we will solve this big bracket. So that is equal to minus 36 divided by 12. So minus sign will come out. So inside it will be 36 divided by 12. And then bracket close, divided by 3. That is equal to minus 36 division sign will change to multiplication. And here it will become 1 upon 12. Divided by 3, that is equal to minus 36 multiplied by 1 divided by 12, and then division by 3. 36 ones are 36, and here already we know that 12 ones are 12 and 12 threes are 36 and 3 ones are 3, and minus signs there, so it is minus 3 divided by 3. That is equal to, now we will take minus sign ahead, so inside we will get 3 divided by 3. Same integer in division, so we will get answer 1, and minus sign outside there, so we will get minus 1. Next, I. In the big bracket, minus 6 plus 5 divided by, in the big bracket, minus 2 plus 1. So first of all, we will solve these brackets and then we will open it. So here minus 6 plus 5, that is 6 minus 5, 1, and minus sign, so that is minus 1 divided by, now here minus 2 plus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1, and minus sign, that is minus 1. Minus minus there, so we can write it as 1 divided by 1, and which is equal to 1. Next question, question number 2. Verify that a divided by, in the bracket b plus c bracket close, does not equal to, in the bracket a divided by b bracket close plus in the bracket a divided by c bracket close, for each of the following values a, b, and c. So here we have to verify that these two sides doesn't equal, and the values of a, b, and c is given. So let's start. So first of all, we will take first side, that is left hand side, that is a divided by, in the bracket b plus c bracket close. So that is equal to, we will put the values of a, b, and c, that is here 12 divided by, in the bracket b, that is minus 4 plus c, that is 2. That is equal to 12 divided by, first of all we will solve this bracket first. So here minus 4 plus 2, that is 4 minus 2, and minus sign, that is minus 2. That is equal to 12 divided by minus 2, that minus sign we will take out. So inside we will get 12 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 12 multiplied by 1 upon 2, that is equal to minus 12 multiplied by 1 divided by 2. And as we know that 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 ones are 6, and minus sign there, so answer is minus 6. Now check other side, that is a divided by b plus a divided by c. Now we will put the values of a, b, and c. So here 12 divided by b, it is minus 4 plus a divided by c, that is 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 12 divided by minus 4, we will take out the minus sign ahead, it is minus 12 divided by 4 plus here 12 divided by 2. Now we will do this division, minus 12 division sign we will change, that is multiply by 1 upon 4 plus 12 multiplied by 1 upon 2, that is equal to minus 12 multiplied by 1 upon 4 plus 12 multiplied by 1 upon 2. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, and here 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So here we will get minus 3 multiplied by 1, that is minus 3, plus 6 multiplied by 1, that is plus 6. Minus 3 plus 6, that is 6 minus 3, and value of the greater absolute value, that is here 6. So the answer is 3. So here we are getting here minus 6 and here 3. Therefore minus 6 does not equal to 3, and therefore minus 6 stands for what? That we will write that A divided by in the bracket B plus C does not equal to, and 3 stands for this one, A divided by B plus A divided by C. So here hence it is verified. That here we will write next sum B. A is equal to minus 10, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. So first we will check for one side, that is A divided by in the bracket B plus C. We will put the values of A, B, C. Minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1, it is 2. Minus sign we will take out, that is minus 10 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 10 multiplied by 1 upon 2, that is equal to minus 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 ones are 5, and here minus sign, so answer is minus 5. Let's check another side. There is A divided by B plus A divided by C, that is equal to, put the values of A, B, C, minus 10 divided by 1 plus minus 10 divided by 1. And as we know that any integer divided by 1 we will get same integer, so here it is minus 10 plus it is minus 10. Minus 10 plus minus 10, that is 10 plus 10, 20, and minus sign, that is minus 20. And here we can see that minus 5 does not equal to minus 20, and therefore minus 5 stands for A divided by in the bracket B plus C does not equal to minus 20, that is A divided by B plus A divided by C, and therefore it is verified. Next question number 3, fill in the blanks. First A, 369 divided by dash, that is equal to 369. So here in the fill up what will come, as we know that any integer divided by 1 we will get same integer, so 369 divided by 1 we will get 369. Now B, minus 75 divided by dash, that is equal to minus 1. Here minus sign there. Now at the end we are getting quotient minus 1, and therefore here the integer will be plus, because we know that out of 2 dividend or divisor, if 1 is negative, then at the end quotient we will get negative. So here positive 1 will come, and as we know that when we divide same integer, okay, from that integer we will get 1, so here we will write 75. My 75 divided by 75 we will get 1, and this minus sign, that is minus 1. Next minus 206, that is equal to, here quotient is positive and here dividend is negative, so divisor also will be negative. Negative we will get positive. Same number will come 206, because minus minus plus, and 206 divided by 206 we will get 1. Next minus 87 divided by something we get 87, and as we know that any integer we will divide by 1 we will get same integer, but keep in mind here negative, here positive, that means this number should be negative, that is minus 1. Minus minus plus, and 87 by 1, that is 87. Dash divided by 1, that is equal to minus 87, so here answer will come minus 87. Plus and minus, so minus answer 87 by 1, that is 87, so minus 87. Next F, dash divided by 48, that is equal to minus 1. So here we will get 48, of course 48 divided by 48 we get 1, but here minus sign there, that's for this one will be minus. Minus and plus, so minus and 48 by 48, that is 1, that is answer is minus 1. Next g, 20 divided by dash, that is equal to minus 2. For that here we will do, as we know that 20 divided by something, when we will get 2, that we have to keep in mind. So 20 divided by 20, we get 2. Now here we want minus 2. So maybe something from out of this 2 will be negative. 20 is already given positive, so this will be minus 10. So answer is minus 10. 20 divided by minus 10, we will get minus 2. Here dash divided by 4, that is equal to minus 3. That means here we can use another method also, which we have learned in introduction, that minus 3 multiply by 4, whatever will get the answer, that will come here. That is minus plus minus, and 3 4s are 12, so it is minus 12. So answer is minus 12. Minus 3 multiplied by 4, which gives minus 12. So minus 12 divided by 4, minus plus minus, and 12 divided by 4, it will give 3. So answer is minus 3. Thank you.